We dairy, we grow grain crops, corn, soybeans, wheat. We also grow certified seed, and we sell that through North Carolina Crop Improvement and through Unisouth Genetics based in Nashville, Tennessee. We grow soybeans for USG, Roundup Readies, and we also grow several lines of their wheat. And also we do corn, beans, and wheat for cash market also. The AVAIL, excellent product. I guess we saw it the first year in 2007. Even though 2007 was a drought year, the corn looked just super good until it got on up into the time when it really needed water, couldn't get the rains we needed. But the corn plant health as it is, ever since we started using the AVAIL, the plant health of the corn seems to respond to the extra additive there, holding the AVAIL and the fertilizers that we use. And we do use the AVAIL on our pop-up fertilizer, and also with the fertilizer that's spread over the land. We have Southern States to blend in the AVAIL and coat the seed, or coat the fertilizer with the AVAIL, so that we do get some effect there, and it seems to work. We're very happy with the AVAIL. I would have to say on the AVAIL, the plant health itself, as it emerges from the ground, you know, it's kind of, you can kind of tell it's getting what it needs as the crop grows and matures in the field. A lot of our soils here in the Piedmont of North Carolina are a little short on phosphorus a lot of years, and with that, you know, the AVAIL does give it a boost to make the added phosphorus work. And we just always make sure we put enough there for the plant to make its potential at the end of at harvest time. But the AVAIL just adds to it and really makes everything do well for us. I feel like the AVAIL has increased our yield in the last 3 years since we've been using AVAIL. 2007, tough drought year. The crop looked good. 2008, pretty good harvest. 2009 was the best yet. We were in the upper 150s to 160 on corn average for the year, and we just felt very fortunate to have that, and the AVAIL, I feel like, was a product that helped get us there. I guess our best test for the NutriSphere was in 2007, which we used about maybe half the acres on the corn that year, and then a few of the wheat acres in 2007, and we did see results pretty quick. We saw good wheat where we had used NutriSphere-N with the nitrogen, and then I guess the best thing we've seen was after 2007, a lot of wheat got planted that fall because it was a drought year, and then the harvest of 2008 wheat harvest was probably the best we'd ever seen. We were somewhere in the upper 80s on all the wheat yield that year, and we saw some areas that didn't have the NutriSphere on it, some checks in the field, and you could about draw a line to where that was put on even the year prior to that. We can see doing our no-till, now I say we're 100% no-till. The corn, the soybeans are 100% no-till. The wheat, we do a light tillage with a Great Plains Turbo Till, and that seems to be helping boost our wheat yield.
It seems like in no-till, sometimes the grounds will be a little cooler and wetter in the spring, and it seems like the NutriSphere and the AVAIL will help get everything going a little quicker.
I really believe that. I believe the crop, you know, here we are May the 10th today, the corn's been in the ground pretty close to a month now, and we're dry right now, but yet the corn's still looking decent. We're hoping for rain soon.
I would definitely recommend using the NutriSphere on the liquid nitrogen and the AVAIL on the phosphorus. It has done a good job for us. It's well worth the money.
Yeah, any of the neighbors that hadn't tried it, you know, it's out there, it's available. You know, it's another product that will work. You know, a lot of things out there we can all use to grow better crops, but these two, NutriSphere, AVAIL, those are two winners that I think will more than pay for themselves. They'll boost the yield and keep a good crop growing in the field.